Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to create a traffic light and a thermometer. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started.
So the first element that we are going to create today is the traffic light. For that we are going to use the dummy data that you see on the screen. The first thing would be to use the conditioning formatting. We would add a few rules here. Say if the completion percentage is less than 40%, we apply the red color. And say if this value is less than equal to 75%, we put in an amber. And else we put in green. Now let's see if this works. Yep, so we put in the condition that if it's less than equal to 40% it should be red, but it hasn't been applied. So let's first fix this. We would come to manage rules and change the order of the rules and click apply. Now as you can see, it has been fixed. Now what we would do is we would try and remove the display of 55% from this colored cell. So we would click on this, come to format cells, select custom, and in type we would type in this. As you can see, we don't see the number anymore. The next thing would be to copy this cell and paste special as linked picture. Now as you can see, if I change the completion rate, the color of this linked picture gets changed as well. The next thing would be to come to picture format, select crop, aspect ratio to 1:1, and the next thing would be to come to crop to shape and change the shape to oval. You can make this bigger and smaller. Now if I change the number here, it gets updated. So yes, that's how you can create traffic light. The next thing that we are going to create today is a thermometer. We are going to use the same data. So the first thing would be to copy and paste this. The next thing would be to come to insert, add a bar chart. Then we would select one of the bars and then come to format data series and put 100% on series overlap. As you can see, there is 100% overlap now. The next thing would be to come to this, select format and put shape fill as no color. The next thing would be to remove all these elements from the chart. And the next thing that we would do is come to format, select shape outline. Well, we can make this thicker as well. So we would come to format again and change the weight to say 1.5 point. And yes, the thermometer has been created. Now if I change this, the thermometer on the right gets updated automatically.
Hope you liked today's video. If you did like this, do share it with someone who would find this useful too. Thanks for watching.